TechnoIllustrator. Organizing photos. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Click on a folder to see its contents. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Step 3. Change the date accordingly. Base the date on the list your aunt gave you. Summer 1, July 12, 2012. Summer 2, August 29, 2012. Winter 1, December 30, 2012. Winter 2, January 9, 2012. Autumn 1, October 13, 2012. Autumn 2, November 29, 2012. Spring 1, April 2, 2012. Spring 2, May 17, 2012. To check for file name, select a photo and look at your lower right corner. Select the first photo and right-click on top of it, select Properties. A pop-up window will appear. Change the date taken option to the dates given to you. Example, Summer1.jpg is taken in July 12, 2012. Repeat Step 3 to all pictures. Lastly, organize your photos by right-clicking on white space and click Refresh.